Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of resetting the TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're dealing with connectivity issues or need a fresh start with your network setup, resetting is an essential troubleshooting step. Let's dive in. Resetting the TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender is necessary to fix connectivity issues, remove custom settings, or restore the device to factory defaults. It helps when troubleshooting, reconfiguring, or if you're moving the extender to a new network. Begin by finding your TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender. Make sure it's securely plugged into a power outlet, ideally in a location where you need improved Wi-Fi coverage. Positioning it correctly is key to ensuring optimal performance after resetting. Next, identify the small reset button on your extender, typically found on the bottom or side. To press this button, you'll need a pin or a paper clip. This step is crucial for initiating the reset process and restoring factory settings. Take your pin or paper clip and press down on the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the lights on the extender start flashing, signaling that the reset process is underway. This indicates the device is preparing to restore factory settings. Once the lights flash, release the button and wait for the extender to restart. This may take a few moments. When the power LED is solid, the reset is complete, and the device is back to its factory settings. Now that you've successfully reset the TP-Link AV600, it's time to reconfigure the device to reconnect it to your network. Refer to the setup instructions that came with the device, or check out our setup guide video linked in the description below for detailed assistance. If you experience any problems or require assistance, our expert team is ready to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And that's it. You've successfully reset your TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.